Behind me is a magnificent structure, a national cultural treasure according to the Presidential Decree 260 that was declared in the year 1973. This is the dignified domeless bell tower of Asia. The architecture and engineering of the Baccara Bell Tower, famously known as Torre de Baccara, was the town's most prized heritage. It was constructed by Father Berger, Order of St. Augustine in 1828. It stood 50 meters high with 3 stories and it features a 16 by 16 meter base that narrows gradually at the top. The top is adorned with a large bronze bell. The materials utilized in the construction of this bell tower were indigenous. Coral bricks made of sticky clay and molasses mixed with leaves and tree trunks of a tree, soaked in water or as a blot, were used instead of cement, granite, or adobe stones. The mixture resulted in a sticky fluid, which was then combined with lime from ashes of burnt shells. The bricks were pieced together with stucco. The mixture is beaten to paste. All the labor was done by hand. This is the Torre de Baccara, a structure with cultural and historical significance to the Bacaraños.